foodies, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making this delicious Guyanese buttery coconut milk flatbread. This is going to be eaten with some good old Guyanese pepper pot. The list for all my pepper pot recipes will be in the description box. So let's get to it. So to my bowl, I'm going to add water, coconut milk, sugar, and everything that I'm using here will be in the description box as well with the measurements. So you're going to knead and form a dough ball like this. Then I add some olive oil over the top. I cover and set in a warm place to poof. So when I double in sizes, guys, it looks like this. And this is an extra buttery flatbread, guys, and you'll see why. So guys, I could not resist. This little flatbread was for my daughter. I know she can't eat it, but I just could not help myself, guys. Oh my gosh. Look at that, beautiful. So now to make our flatbread, we're going to roll each individual balls out like what I'm doing. Then you're going to add additional butter to the center, just like that. And then you're gonna roll it up. You guys remember I did a raisin remixed flatbread? I'll leave the link for that as well in the description box. All right, 2 down, 1 to go, and this is how we are going to flat the bread, or braid the bread, whichever you want to say. But for us, we say flatbread. Looks amazing. I'm gonna place this on my greased baking tray. So after about 25 minutes, I cover that, and this is what it looks like. I'll go ahead and brush the top with some melted butter and parsley. You can just add melted butter, or you cannot add that at all. You can just bake as is. All right. And we're gonna bake until it is nice and golden brown. I also did some brown bread, and this is what that looks like. So guys, if you have not yet subscribed, I would encourage you to please go ahead and do so, like and share this video. Love you guys. Bye bye.